I've got something new to unwrap from Coach, and I've got some stories. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I am Jen. I picked this up at the Coach Reserve via the outlet. This is something I recently learned about. It's a section on the Coach outlet site where I believe they sell items from the boutique, but a lot of these items are at a fairly steep discount. So this is a bag I've had my eye on for a while. And when I saw it on the reserve section, I was like, I'm just gonna pull the trigger. So, and plus towards the end of the video, I've got another purchase that didn't quite work out. So I'll be also speaking about that. I did kind of start to unwrap it, but I really want to inspect the item to make sure that everything is cool. So this did come in a lot of wrapping. So I was pretty, yeah, it's a lot here. If you can't tell, this is indeed the Coach Rebel 24. And it's in black leather and the signature jacquard textile fabric. So let me see if I can, all right, I don't know if this comes with the dust bag, we'll see. This comes with so much wrapping. I also got a couple accessories for it that I'm excited about. And I do hope this bag works out for me because it's really cute. And I also think it's actually a pretty good alternative to the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. These bags are actually similar in size and capacity, but this one is a lot less expensive. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly alternative to the Alma BB, this might be what you're looking for. So I'm gonna keep the tags on, but the thing is, it's kind of hard to tell what the condition is with all of the wrapping on it. I'd like to keep the wrapping on it, but at the same time, I also need to know whether there are any defects with the bag so that it can be addressed. All right, and the strap is actually tied to the bag itself. And again, that's the issue I had with my other purchase, is that I took the tags off and then I found out something was wrong with it. So let's take off the styrofoam here. Because somebody else actually purchased the same bag and their handles were actually not aligned on the side, which was crazy. So I was like, I should probably check mine out just to make sure everything is okay. All right, so let's see if I can pull this off here. So it comes with an additional strap. I won't take everything off, just enough to make sure that the leather looks good and that everything is okay. So I won't take off the tags until I'm like 1,000% sure I want to keep this bag. You know, it's kind of a shame. I've actually had some hit or miss luck lately with certain bags. Again, I don't want to return anything, but I've just had some pretty crappy luck. So, all right, let me check this strap here. The strap looks good. I actually really like the strap width. It's it's probably about an inch. And I actually think that's a pretty good width for a strap. I find a lot of the other straps I've seen are like too big and bulky, but then others are too flimsy. All right, so at least my handles seem to be matching up because again, the photo of the person I saw that bought this same bag and the handles were jacked up, I was like, holy crap, that looks really bad. I actually do really like the jacquard fabric too. I actually have a bag, an older bag that I got in the mid 2000s with the same type of fabric. And it looks great. So it does actually hold up pretty well over time, you know, as long as you don't get too crazy with it and you take care of it. And mine looks okay. Oh, I think you just like pull this. Okay, here we go. So I just want to make sure to check the bag over really well, especially since I'm still in my return window. So while I'd like to keep it in the package, if there is something noticeable, I want to be able to have enough time that I can take it into the store. This is from the 1941 collection. So it does come with the 1941 hang tag and some really nice details. Okay, so this does come with keys and it does have a lock on the bag as well, which is a really cute detail. And again, very much reminiscent of the Alma BB that comes with the lock and key. So here is the lock. It's at the base here and it has these nice pull tabs. So far, everything looks good. I did notice there was like kind of small like scratch here, but I don't think it's a deal breaker for me, especially since I got such a good deal on it and there are no more left. So I think I'm gonna live with it. It didn't take the finish off or anything, so it kind of blends in. So honestly, I'm okay with it. This is the 1941 hang tag here, really beautiful. This is the first time I've gotten a bag like this. So I'm pretty pumped, honestly. I think this will be really cool. And I've wanted to try the Alma BB, but not really at the current price that LV charges. So I saw this and I thought it would be a good way to kind of test the waters and see if I like the style, because I don't even know if I will really use this style or not. So we'll have to see. All right, let's take this off and we'll check the handles and everything. Also see, maybe we'll see what fits in the bag. I mean, it's a pretty good size. I think this is a really nice size for a bag. Okay, so here she is. This is the Coach Revel 24, and it has come in the past in other types of leather, like full leather. I saw a really cool sporty blue one. This has silver hardware, and here are the little places where you can attach your strap. The mod photos I saw on the website were super cute. So let's take a look inside. I like the black zipper tape. Zipper quality seems pretty good. So it's got like kind of a dome shape here. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. All right, so it does come with a dust bag. Very nice here. All right, definitely comes stuffed here. I'll probably put the stuffing back in after I shoot this video. So, but I just want to check the bag for any random things. Let's just sort of look this over here. I'm not really seeing, again, there was that small scratch on the bag, but it's not super noticeable, you know, so we'll deal with it. And the jacquard is sort of a cream and like a brown almost. I don't know. I think it's made of like partly recycled materials as well. But at least my handles are not, seriously, the bag I saw, the handles were like really messed up. Coach and even Dooney and Bourke, they really package their items extremely well. I've been really pleasantly surprised by both of these companies, especially because they are more affordable contemporary brands. I've just been really blown away by how good they package their items, and everything comes wrapped up very nicely. And you know, I haven't really had a lot of issues with their stuff. Although again, I'll get to the purchase I had to return in a little bit. But that one didn't have anything to do with the packaging. There was just like a manufacturing defect. Okay, it comes with some silica gel packets. Don't eat these, guys. Don't eat these. I'm still gonna keep the tags on though for now, just in case. All right, and here's how you attach this strap. It's got the dog leash style clasps, and you just attach it like this and then carry it like this here. So that's if you want to attach those. I think I will maybe wear this more as like a shoulder bag or a top handle carry. I don't really think I plan to do I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is a faux suede interior, and it's sort of in a rust color. I am glad that it's not really dark, so I can still see my stuff in here and everything. So that's a plus. You can see it's got the story patch here, and it has one slip pocket that has a snap closure if you want to do that. I don't even use these pockets a lot oftentimes in bags, but it's a really good size. I'll actually include the dimensions up on the screen, but it does seem to be fairly comparable to the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. Really cute. And it's got the dual zip. Really nice quality leather though. Let me see if I can smell it. Yeah, it smells good. Yeah, look at these little top handles here. Adorable, adorable. And you can zip up either side, and then you can actually take the lock off if you want to. I will probably be keeping the lock just on here as decoration. I don't really plan on taking it off, but you can actually put your zipper tabs on here and then put the lock on, you know, if you want to. But again, I think that's more of a decorative feature than anything else. But it is a really good size. Now, I've got my stuff right now in a Coach Mini Rowan, and I'll switch out the bag. So I've got my little blush pink. This is such a cool bag, by the way. Another great outlet find. I've got my Dress Up Your Purse Vachetta tassel on here, and we're gonna switch out the bags and see what fits in here, because this can get a lot of stuff in it. I am packing pretty light here, but I've got a card case here. I'll actually put the card case in this little side pocket here. When it comes with a card here. Okay, cool. I'll put the card case in here just to see how that goes. But that is kind of nice. Okay, so you can definitely fit a larger wallet though if you have one. Let's see, we've got my keys here. This is my little IKEA bag charm, and I've got my keys in here because I still have this sort of bulky keys. So yeah, so we got keys here, a tampon, a pen, lotion, definitely fit in here. You can, you know, I'm pretty sure you could probably fit a mini pochette in here as well. I got my little mini Laneige lip sleepy mask. You can definitely fit a phone in here. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. Definitely fits real nicely inside. I'm gonna go out on the limb and say you could fit sunglasses in here for sure. Sunglasses, and yeah, I feel like I could probably fit a mini pochette in here. Hold on a second. Alrighty, we've got the Dress Up Your Purse mini pochette and the Toiletry Pouch 15. So we're gonna see, we might have to shuffle some stuff. Like you can kind of see it fits, but you sort of have to juggle around a little bit. Again, I think this bag is good. It fits the essentials, but it's not like a weekender bag or anything like that. So here's the mini pochette. I think I can get this in here. Yeah, definitely can fit this. You do have to be a little bit more creative with getting your stuff in here. All right, so mini pochette goes in here. Then I've got my keys, and then I'll do the phone on top. So this all fits in here. Yeah, check it out. All totally fits and really isn't like bulky or anything. So I will say the zipper is not as smooth as the Louis Vuitton zippers, but again, this bag is also a fraction of the price, so I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, this is getting kind of heavy now, but it fits. It's not super bulky. It is a little bit heavy, but that's because I think I have some metal chains in the mini pochette. All right, let's try the toiletry pouch at 15 now. Let me take the phone out here, take the mini pochette out. I think the TP15 can fit in here. All right, so let's say I'm putting the lotion in here. Yeah, I've got some like purse chains in here that are kind of ridiculous. We'll take that out. All right, so let's put the lotion in here because I would probably be storing some of the stuff in here. All right, tampon also does not, well, yeah, it doesn't really fit in there. All right, but I can put my lip product in there. So if you're keeping your toiletries in a TP15, that should work. You just have to be creative in how you pack it. So again, it's mostly empty except for the pen. So let me put the toiletry pouch 15 in here. So yeah, you can fit a toiletry pouch 15 or a mini pochette in here. We'll put the tampon down here. Actually, we'll put the phone and then the keys. So all of that fits, yeah, pretty well. You could even put a sunglass case in here on top. So that would definitely fit if you're putting it across horizontally. And yeah, see if you zip it up here, all good. And yeah, this is, again, it's a little bit bulky. And it does sort of like bulge out the bottom a little bit from the weight. Really nice quality leather here. There's a leather platform and then there's purse feet, really nice feature to have. I think this bag just has so many great design features and I've never had a style like it before, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. So this is the Revel 24. If you have this bag, also I'm really curious to know what you think, or if you have a Revel regular size or if you've got the 24. I thought the 24 just seemed like a better fit for me. But wait, there's more because I picked up this really awesome guitar strap from Coach Outlet because I thought it would go great with this bag. Well, actually, I lied. This was actually meant for another bag, the one that I returned, but this would work out for this one. Because again, if you want a more casual look and you don't want the leather strap, I thought this would be a good alternative. So let's we'll unwrap this strap, see how it looks. The straps from the outlet were pretty reasonably priced. I actually bought like 4 or 5 of them for different purposes. So I thought this one seemed pretty cool. All right, here we go. This is Coach's version of that guitar strap that pretty much every brand seems to be doing. Silver hardware, and it also has a little D-ring that I guess you can hang stuff from, like if you have like a coin purse or like a key pouch or like a charm or something. So I thought that was really nice, and this seems very comfortable. So I think this will be a good strap to have just in case, but so you can switch out. The metal hardware is a little bit different, but I don't think anyone's gonna really notice. So you can either do the classic strap or you can do the guitar strap, and I just thought this looked super cool. So let's put this on real quick, see how it looks. I just thought this would be a nice little accessory for the bag. But yeah, this seems pretty cool. All right, yeah, see? So now you have a totally different look, a little bit more casual. So maybe a weekend look, something like that. So you're probably wondering, Jen, what bag did you return? So Coach Boutique was having an online sale, and I had been eyeing up that quilted mirror bag with the heart strap, the one for Valentine's Day. And I really liked the pink color. I like the mirror style, but when I saw the quilted Napa leather, that just was really up my alley. So I went ahead and ordered it, and it arrived. And it did come like factory packaged like this. And believe it or not, that was actually my very first time ordering from the boutique. I've pretty much only bought from the outlet for the most part. And I got it. I filmed an entire unboxing. I'll even insert a clip here. And then I discovered, so I made the mistake of taking the tags off before I noticed that there was a problem with the leather finish. So the leather had what I think might have been glazing on it. Again, not great. But then towards the bottom, like seam of the bag, it's like a crescent bag, there was like the leather finish hadn't been applied correctly and it was like cracking and you could see white underneath. So Not great, especially for a bag of that price. It originally retailed for $495. So I ended up taking it back to the Coach store, and they were really nice about it. Even though I took the tags off, I was like, hey, I didn't notice this until later. And, they were cool. They took it back, no problem. I really liked the bag, but a couple things. It also had more wrinkling than I was expecting. And again, I know it's leather, but it did feel sort of delicate, and I was worried about it getting damaged further. That was not great for a bag that's supposed to be brand new. So I've had kind of some ups and downs with Coach lately. I think this is a good purchase for sure. So after I returned the pink bag, I saw this pop online, and I was like, well, maybe we'll try that out instead. And one more thing to show you, I got a little accessory for this bag too. It is the Bear skateboard bag charm, and I was like, this would go great with the Coach Revel 24. So this is super cute. Might be a little overboard, like maybe I would take some of this stuff off so I don't have like all of this stuff on here, but here, I'll just clip this. I think this was perfect, and I ended up getting this from a very nice Coach SA. She helped me procure this bear charm. I've got a lot going on, but I'm excited about this bag. I keep buying more black bags as well, so I don't know what's going on there, but this looks like it'll be a great bag. So far, I haven't noticed any problems. I'll probably be continuing to inspect it after I am done filming this video, but I hope you enjoyed my Coach journey because it's been kind of a roller coaster. I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. Let me know what you think down below in the comments and check out some of my other handbag and accessories videos. I'll see you again in the next one.